Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you a really nice trick to get the invite code of Hack the Box. So let's get started. So firstly, I think you might have clicked on this want some help and they say check the console. So let's check the console. So the console over here has this really nice picture of a skull, if you might have noticed. Okay, so now let's actually find the code, so which is the invite code. So now when I'll go and press Control U, which I am pressing to see the source code of a page. So this is the source code which I can see right now of the page, and in this source code I can actually see all of this code, out of which there are CSS and there are many things which are there. So I want the invite code, so I want the code which is related to the invite for Hack the Box. So out of all of these blue links, which among these I think should be the ones related to invite. So for example, this is the front end min JS, so this is for the front end beautification, maybe this is also for the front end. So this is one of the pages links which looks interesting, but this is just this invite page. And now there is also, out of these blue links, there is this one blue link which says invite API. So it says invite API. So now over here, now you can see this Java code looks strange. Is it obfuscated? Okay, so now this function clearly looks scary to me, and it's like if I am able to decode this function, I might have some hints on getting the invite code. So actually speaking, this function is really weird. So actually how this function looks is, this is a really nice website known as beautify.io. What it does is that when you paste a code in this and you click on beautify code, it will give you the equivalent code of whatever it has been written. So all of this eval functions, all of this and all, which were really difficult to understand, has now been transferred to this nice easy function. So there is one function named as make invite code, and when you call that function, it will give you a result, and it will give you this URI, which is a post type. Okay, so let me make a call to this function, even though I don't need to, because I know what is going to happen, because in the function it says that URL is this, where we need to go via a post request. So in the console, even though for your maybe like for just showing, I'll show you that you'll see the data. It says this thing only. It worked properly, and you can just decode this data. So let's even do the long cut method. Okay, so all the methods will do. So this is the URL which I got. Now I'm going to use curl. So curl -x post, because we are specifying this is the post method, it says over here, and we are going to the same Hack the Box website, and over here rather than invite, we will go to this place, API invite how to generate. Cool. So over here, let's go here and let me press enter, and this is works for all operating systems, even though they are in Kali Linux or anything. So now I got some data. Now this data is, it says that it has been encrypted by ROT13. So there's another website known as CyberChef, or you can use your Python code, or you can use anything you want, and you just need to rotate it by 13 digits. So I'm going to use ROT13. So there are many functions and there are many online places to decode ROT13. So now I get a request that in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API invite generate. Okay, so the same post request as before. The only difference is this time we are going to send a request to API and generate. Okay, let's run this, and yep, success. So you can see that this data which I received here is the same as which I got here. Yeah, it's like, okay, let's decode both of them. So firstly let me paste the invite code, which is not this. Okay, let me paste it here, this one, and let's see. And since this is a base 64, because I can see that equal to mark, and you can even use the magic module to auto predict what type of hash this is. So this is a base 64, and this is your invite code which you need. So you can just go and copy this inside your IO invite code, just paste it here and you're done. And also let's do copy this. Let's see this one as well. Does this give me any results? So paste it here. Okay, yeah, I need to copy the whole thing. Yes, now it will work. Yeah, so it's the same thing. That in order to generate an invite code, make a post request to this. So these are both the two methods, and the first method was just like doing this base 64 two times, and one is rot 13 and then base 64. So in the end you do get your data. So where was it? Okay, I lost it. Okay, so copy, paste, this is the invite code, and now when I paste the invite code here, I will get a congratulations, and now you can register with your username, email and password. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. When I keep making hacking videos, not like hacking, like tools and various tools and like XSS, in SQL injection, brute force and all that. So like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.